You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gunjan and you're watching Travels with Sharma. I am so excited for this video because I have literally curated some of the amazing tops from Myntra. I've got one from Savannah as well. So this is the overall collection that I've got. We have a total of 6 tops today, and every other piece is so different and unique in its own. I think maximum of the top that I've got are so ideal for your Valentine's Day look, and you guys can just pair it up with skirt or even denim. I'm starting up with Myntra because maximum of the top are from Myntra. So let's get started with this video. You guys can also check out my Instagram and follow me over there if you want to see me more. So first I have got this top. So firstly, there's this particular brand on Myntra which is called Stylecast. I don't know if you guys have listened it or you guys know it, but I have shopped from this brand like earlier last year and I was literally surprised with the quality and everything. So first top I got from Stylecast only. Stylecast also has certain brands under them, such as I got this particular top which is so stunning. This white top. You will see a try on this side. So this is the top. It has this string situation going on, which is like a halter neck kind of a top, and white color. The moment I saw the white color, I was like, I have to get a white color only because it was so flattering. So this is the Stylecast X Slick tops with this sort of work. I think maximum of the time the material that you get from the brand will have this sort of work, which is this string, which is this thing going on all over. I have one more top with the same design, and can you guys just see how stunning it is looking? Isn't it so apt for Valentine's? If you're someone in love with white, or even if you like the pattern going on or the halter neck situation, then you guys can absolutely go with this top. I love it. So another one which I was talking about is this particular top, which is from the same brand, and it has the same sort of pattern going on. The only difference is it's a tube top. So but the color is so good. It's like a pink which is not too bright and not too light as well. So it's like the middle version of the pink, and I already wore this on my birthday and I loved the look of this particular top. So yeah, this has been my favorite and it is so ideal for your Valentine's. Tops that I'm seeing are also very ideal for your events, your parties, even if you go out clubbing and all, because they look so stylish. Then I've got like a brown top. This one is from the brand called Roadster, which is another famous brand on Myntra. It's a basic top, but the amazing part is the neckline. Just look at this cutout, and even when I'm wearing this, it is looking so stunning. It has this cutout pattern on your hands, so it gives that wintry feel as well, and it was fitting me so perfectly. It is also like a modest top, so you can actually wear it for your casual outing. So yeah, this is another top and it's from another trusted brand, so you guys can consider it. I think there are more colors available, but I like the brown one more. It's not even possible that I buy something online or offline and I don't get a tank top. So we have one with us. It is again from Stylecast, but it is under Stylecast X Revolt, which has amazing tank tops, and the material of this particular tank top is pure cotton. Let me tell you all. The color I feel like orangish. It could be a better color, but I don't mind it because it was giving like a sporty look. And if you're someone who has more of a casual style, then this can be an ideal top for you because it was looking so playful. It was giving like a casual feel, but also stylish. What I love that there was a color block between the overall orange, and that's the only reason why I bought this one. Then I have this grayish flutter sleeve top. So it has that little shine going on. I don't know the sort of material what it is called, but it is so comfortable, and because of that little bit of shine and gloss going on, looks so pretty. Because it's a gray color, it can go ideal with your blue color, and it perfectly fits me, which is another part that I absolutely love about this top. It is a simple top, but you can pair it up with an amazing low-waisted jeans, I believe, because it cinches your waist, so it can look good that way as well. Now comes my absolute favorite top from Savannah. And why I love this top? First of all, so camera cannot actually capture the real color of this top because it's not red, it's a little dark red, and this is the most ideal top for your Valentine's look. I also look forward to wearing this top on birthdays. Along with that, I also believe the material and everything is so soft. It has got this net pattern going on, which is absolutely lovely. So the price I paid for this top literally justifies it, because I fell in love with this top the moment I opened my package. You guys can actually see it in this try on as well. It is looking so flattering, it is looking so stunning, and red is that one particular color which I feel like suits everyone, because it's that middle color which is not even light and not even dark. So it's only gonna look best on you. वैसे तो I absolutely loved everything that I got from this haul, but this one was my favorite because it made me not only comfortable but also stylish, elegant, and I can actually wear it with a loose. I can actually wear it with a wide leg or a loose denim. So yeah, this was the overall haul thing that I've done after such a long time. I think I've never done such hauls, so I'm planning on bringing more such haul. Also, if you all want me to make a separate haul for Valentine dresses or just dresses, then let me know. So yeah, if you guys have loved it, just give it a thumbs up, and if you want me to make more such videos on tops, dresses, denims, or whatsoever, just comment it below under this video and I'll definitely come up with one. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Bye.